Yeah, hi all. Today we will check Spring Boot real world use cases. This is the use case for a Spring Boot applications. This use case is shopping cart. We can use this is catalog, order processing, payment gateway, and recommendation engine as a independent services. So what is the Spring Boot role here? Means each domain is a microservice, just like product service, order service, and inventory service, payment service. So RESTful APIs with Spring Web use Spring Cloud Config for centralized configurations. We can use load balancing and discovery via Netflix, Eureka, and Ribbon or Spring Cloud Gateway. Security with Spring Security with auth to JWT. Second use case is the online banking system we can use. This is account management, transactions, fraud detections, customer service, all is as isolated secure microservices. So Spring Boot role secure communication with Spring Security, and we can use Keycloak for single sign-on. Resilience with Spring Cloud Circuit Breaker, resilience for the library we can use here. For Kafka integration for async transaction log. And for we will use Spring Actuator for health monitoring. Second use case is healthcare management systems. Use cases patient reports, appointment scheduling, billing, lab reports as a modular services. So what is the Spring Boot role? Data isolation with separate database per service patterns. Expose REST APIs secured with auth 2. We can use Spring Cloud Sloth plus Jinping for distributed tracing. Fourth one is learning management systems. Use case code service, student programs, exams, grading, authentications. So what is the Spring Boot role here? Authentication with Keycloak integration with Spring Security, Spring Data JPA with PostgreSQL for persistence. You can use Spring Batch for exam results generation or report scheduling. Sync communication can be happen with RabbitMQ, or we can select Kafka as well. Fifth use case is transportation platforms. So use case is driver location tracking. If we want to track driver location, ride booking, fare estimation, user notifications also. So what is the Spring Boot role here? Geo location tracking microservices using Redis for fast read write. WebSocket support for real-time tracking. Rate limiting with Spring Cloud Gateway filters. Push notification using Firebase APIs via microservice integrations. Sixth use case is inventory and supply chain management. Uses inventory tracking, supply management, warehouse allocations, logistics. So Spring Boot role here, Kafka we can use for event-driven updates across services, that is stock updates. Spring Retire and Silence for robust and logistic calls we can use. Quartz Scheduler or Spring Batch for stock reconciliation tasks. Media streaming platforms. Use cases content delivery, user profiles, subscriptions, analytics, or what is the Spring Boot role here? Reactive programming with Spring Webflux for non-blocking I/O. Rate limiting with Spring Cloud Gateway. Auth 2 for subscription-based access control. Analytics capture and send via Kafka or REST to analytics services. Thank you. If you like this presentation, please like, share and subscribe. Ring the bell to get notified of new control. Thank you.